This pizza is very hot, and it's important that we take it now without taking much time. So let's look at it together. A solid weighs 24 gram in air, 16 gram in water, and 20 gram in oil. Find the ratio of the relative density of the solid to that of the oil. So quickly, the weights were given in terms of mass. So mass of the solid in air, 24 gram. Mass of the solid in water is 16 gram. 16 gram. Mass of the solid in a liquid, in another liquid oil, is 20 gram. We are looking for ratio of the relative density of the solid to the relative density of the oil. That's what we are looking for. That's what they say we should find. So for us to do this, we need to find relative density of the solid and then take the ratio. There is another way we can do that, but I'm going to first of all find this and take the ratio in this particular video. Okay, now what is the relative density of a solid? It is mass of the solid in air over mass of the solid in air minus mass of the solid in water. And relative density of a liquid is mass of a solid in air minus mass of solid in the liquid over mass of solid in air minus mass of solid in water. So if we do that, relative density of this solid, what's the mass of the solid in air is 24 over mass of solid in air is still 24 minus mass of the solid in water is 16. So we are left with what? 24 over what? 8. That will give me what? 3. That's relative density of the solid. Then we have to find the relative density of the liquid. So that will give me mass of the solid in air, 24, minus mass of the solid in the liquid, which is 20, divided by mass of the solid in air minus mass of the solid in water. So 24 minus this is 4, 24 minus this is 8. This will give us 1 over 2, which is 0.15. So let's take the ratio together. The ratio of the relative density of the solid to relative density of the oil, which is a liquid, will be 3 is to 0.5. If we reduce this to lowest term, we divide by the smallest number, which is 0.5. So 3 divided by 0.5 is to 0.5 divided by 0.5. 3 divided by 0.5 is 6. This divide this is 1. So the ratio is 6 is to what? Is to 1. For more pizzas like this, make sure you follow my page. Thank you.